Welcome back, my fellow watchateers. It is happening. It is happening. Finally, I got an announcement to make, and yeah, this is awesome. Awesome. I'm looking forward to this day for a long time, and so with no further ado, let's jump right in. Some things have arrived in the last few days, and I am going to make my very first 100% full custom mod. Yes, you heard that right. I ordered all the parts. I ordered the movement, ordered the case. I decided on the color scheme. I ordered the hands, and everything will come together to a hopefully awesome new watch, and I'm so excited. This is why this announcement is happening, because the video is coming out on the weekend, so stay tuned on the channel for the weekend. Saturday or Sunday, I don't know when I be able to finish the production of the video, so keep an eye on the channel. And this weekend is also going to be a double feature, because I have two videos coming up. Need to make up for the lost time for the last few weeks. So this weekend is going to be 100% watch awesomeness. First video is the custom I want to build, and I got all the parts right here. Thanks to Sands of Time, awesome dude. Thank you very much. Awesome communications, awesome seller. If you need something, check out eBay, check out Sands of Time. He's shipping from the UK. If you are on the mainland of Europe, so maybe order now. We don't know when the Brexit is happening, but he has a awesome selection of stuff to choose from, and in here are a case, yes, this one, and with hands, and in here is the movement. It is an NH36A with day and date and a crown stem. These parts are going to get built to put together in combination with this. Some of the OGs will remember this dial. This is the dial I falsely ordered for my SNZH mod, and it didn't fit because it has the crown at 4 o'clock and the SNZH has the crown at 3 o'clock. So I don't want it to modify the dial back then, so I just kept it, and it is laying in the drawer. It is sitting in the drawer for a long time, and now finally it is going to be put into a custom watch. I'm so excited about the project. I hope you are excited too, and I hope you join in on Saturday/Sunday for the video and for the double feature, because the second video on this fabulous pre-Xmas weekend will be the state of the collection and 2020. So I'm doing a state of my collection, so you can see what has changed in my collection over the last 12 months. And we will enjoy the journey together. Oh yeah, didn't show you the strap I wanted to put on. Yeah, Barton NATO navy blue, so no brainer. Navy blue dial, navy blue strap, it's a no brainer. So I hope you're going to join in on the weekend, and let's discuss it in the comments below. If you like the project, if you dig the project, and when the video is out, let us discuss what would you do different, or if you want to build one your own, because it's not rocket science. Anyone can do it with a bit of training, bit of skill. Any one of you can do it. If I can, anyone can, because I'm not the most skilled person in the world when it comes to this. But I will try, and I hope I will not fail. And yeah, what is left to say? See you on the weekend. I'm happy. I hope you're happy too. I'm finally back, and we end this year with a double feature video with a bang and a custom. So it's going to be awesome. See you guys, and if you don't already have, please like and subscribe to the channel and share the videos with the world. I'm doing this on my own time here besides work. So but work is now pretty easily, so it's okay. So yeah, but with no further ado, guys, see you on the weekend, and take care and stay safe out there, and yeah, bye. Watch on. I need to remember this one. Watch on.